the screen?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's visible, sir.
Next
Okay.
visible, sir.
So here, this is the question. So utility is directly linked with useful of a commodity. Amavalya. Utility
Yes,
means
sir.
what? Satisfaction. It directly linked with usefulness of a commodity. Yes, but true or false? Sir? Hello, my testing 1 2 3. Is it
False.
true or utility is directly linked with usefulness of a commodity? So when a product is give a satisfaction, then only we will get what? The satisfaction of the product is based upon commodity. Yes,
Yes, sir.
but true or false? சொல்லுங்க. Commodity
False,
சரியில்லைன்னா
sir.
okay.
False, sir.
Hmm. So a consumption beyond the point of satisfaction leads this utility. Amava. Yes.
Yes, sir. True, sir.
Sir. True, sir.
Okay. First one can answer true. First one can answer on the true.
But we did not get answer for that. They gave minus marks, sir.
நீங்க தப்பா போட்டிருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஆன்சர் வந்து for first one true. என்னன்னாக்கா utility is directly linked with usefulness of a commodity. Usefulness ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வாங்குறீங்க, ஒரு பென் வாங்குறீங்க. In case if it is not useful, will you get satisfaction? You are buying a
No,
mobile
sir.
phone, but it is not useful for you. A tab you are not useful. It is not useful for you. Then you will get satisfaction, or else you will get utility. No, right? So that is directly linked. Okay, that first one is true. Okay, and second one is we know very well when we consume more than the beyond the point, it is false. And we when we add up utility derived from each successive unit, we'll get total utility. Yes or no? Yes. So
Yes,
adding all
sir.
the utility. So what about this marginal rate of substitution? Have you all seen this marginal utility graph?
Yes, sir.
Negative போதா? It goes negative, right?
Yes,
Minus
sir.
6.
Yes, sir.
So who is that one who wrote wrong? Okay, who wrote false?
Only, sir.
Alavu. Okay. So according to the law of marginal utility, okay, satisfaction obtained from consumption of each successive unit decreases. Yeah. So same law of marginal utility. When we can see more and more on units of commodity, automatically what will happen? The utility decreases, right? So
Sir.
who wrote increase?
Sir, me, sir.
So ordinal means utility can be measured. That you wrote correctly. So the economists speak of utility of a certain product. They are referring what? இது ஃபுல்லா காமிச்சதா உங்களுக்கு?
Sir.
Actually, when economy speaks of utility of a certain product, they are referring rate at which consumers willing to exchange one good for one usefulness of product. Okay, so you can see this demand for the product is strong, usefulness of the production, this is also wrong. Exchange of one good for another. Oh, it's not visible, fully visible. Okay, so answer is C. Got it? When economists
Yes, sir.
speaks of utility of a certain product, they are referring what rate at which consumers are willing to exchange. Okay, so we will pay and buy. That's what the thing. Then utility. அப்படின்னா என்னது? So it differs from person to person, time to time, product to product. அப்படியா? Yes. So everyone wrote correctly. So yeah, total utility is task at the point of satisfaction. Maximum, minimum, zero. The answer is maximum. இல்லையா? Have you all seen 50, 50? Total utility உங்க example bookல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். 50, 15, it will repeat to twice. So that is the maximum satisfaction. So total utility will be maximum at the satiety. Satiety in the sense is a satisfaction. The consumers is in equilibrium when marginal utility of the commodity equals to what? Equals to
Price, sir.
price. Yes. So
Sir, but
MU is equal to
they gave minus mark for this question, sir.
really.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay, let me check. So in that case, I will give you marks. Okay, don't worry. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
So the
sir.
point of satiety. Okay, so MV is negative or zero or rising or none of that. It's a zero. Yeah.
0.
Yes, sir.
When MU is zero, total utility is what?
Maximum.
MU maximum. யார் ஜீரோன்னு போட்டது? ஹலோ வர்ஷினியா.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So total utility is equal to which is not equal to sigma MU. False. In while discussing that particular chapter, I wrote that formula, right? It is there in our book too. Total utility is equal to sigma marginal utility. Then consumer equilibrium refers to situation when a consumer is having maximum satisfaction. So consumer equilibrium refers to a situation when a consumer is having maximum satisfaction. True. The answer is true. Who wrote false?
Sir, for this question also they gave minus marks, sir.
Minus mark.
Sir.
Who wrote false? யார் false னு எழுதுனது? Who wrote false? Varshinia. Whether Miss Varshini, you wrote false?
No, sir.
யார் எழுதுனது false? Actually, it's a true. So யாருக்கு false வந்துச்சு? சரி. இப்போ true போட்டு மார்க் வரலனாக்க you can ask me. So Alagustinidhi, you the one wrote false,
Sir, I
right?
sent a screenshot, sir.
Wait. Let me check. Alagustinidhi, நீங்க ட்ரூ தானமா கிளிக் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
Sir.
அப்புறம் இங்க ஃபால்ஸ்னு காமிக்குது. That's why they have removed. I think that's why they have deducted 2 marks. So okay, let me consider. Okay, Malabushinidhi, I think you wrote true, but here you got but a negative. Okay, let me consider this for you. Okay. The
Okay,
next
sir.
one and last one. What is the last question? Let me share you. Wait. The 15 MBO of 1 rupee refers to utility obtained from purchase of commodity with 1 rupee. Yes, it's true. So both of them wrote correctly. So what is your score, Ms. Varshini?
Sir, 16, sir.
16. Why? What happened? How many questions you made wrong?
Sir, I will check and say, sir.
Okay, what about you, Valagushinidhi?
20, sir.
20. So you will get extra 2, right? 22. So that 14th one for 14th one, right? Is it so? So I will
Yes,
update
sir.
you.
So, and also for 10th question, I wrote price only, sir, but they gave
Okay,
minus
so
marks. Sir.
22, then 24. What about you, Varshini? I think you
Sir,
also
for
wrote
me
a
also, sir.
price, right? So 18. Okay, so let me modify. So Varshini 18 and Nagastrini 24, right? Okay.